I'm going to show you the quick and easy way how you can remove these arrow icons on your desktop shortcut. Now, the way we're going to do this is that we're going to edit the registry file. So we're going to go to the search bar here and you want to type in run. Find run here. And then you want to type in rec edit, just like this. And then click on OK. Click on yes. Now on here, you want to go to this address. Now from here, you can see we're going to scroll all the way here. Now you want to go to H key local machine. After that, software. On software, you want to find Microsoft. On Microsoft, you want to go all the way down and you want to find Windows. Scroll all the way down and then on Windows. Now on Windows, you want to go to current version. On current version, you want to scroll all the way down until you find Explorer. Now on Explorer, we're gonna create a new key called shell icons. Now what are keys, right? It's these things on the right or these things on the left as well. Now you just want to right click on here. Now you want to click on new and then you want to click on create a new key, right? Create a new key. Now name this shell icons. It's very important that you name it correctly. It's case sensitive as well. So name it shell icons just like I did here, right? Shell icons. Now on shell icons, you want to right click here, you want to click on new, and then click on string value. On string value, you want to name it 29, just like this, 29, right? There you go. Now on 29, you want to double click this. Now you can see there's a value data here that you need to input. Now the value data you need to input will be percent, win, tier, percent again, and then slash system 32 and then slash shell, right? The slash should be like this. It'll be facing this way, okay? System 32. And then you want to type in shell, right? Shell 32 dot TLL, comma, minus 50. Just like this, right? Pause the video if you need to copy this, right? And then after that, just click on OK, like that. Now you can see the icons might not have changed yet. It has not been reflected. That's because we need to actually restart our task manager or our Windows Explorer, right? So the way we're going to do that is we're going to right click. We're going to go to task manager. On task manager, we're going to find the Windows Explorer, right? So to find it quickly, just click on Control Shift Escape, right? And after that, we will have to find Windows Explorer, which is here, Windows Explorer, right? Just right click and then click on restart. Now, your taskbar on the bottom here will disappear. It's okay. It's restarting. There you go. It's back. Now, if you go here, you can see all of those arrows are now gone. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.